welcome back. So today I'm in Lewisburg. I'm on my third stop of the day. I've only spent $65. Last time I was at Lewisburg, I cut it short because I left the consignment barn without my debit card. And this time I definitely have it with me. So let's go in and see what else is new there. I'm gonna start this way this time so I don't run out of time when go to meet Jocelyn. Excuse me. Looks like the vendor from Sledworks has brought these guys over. I left them when I was at Sledworks. Whoa. Got some art glass. Lots of cute stuff. Little Fisher Price bumblebee. Ah, the Sears frog. $34 for the whole set. That's a pretty great price. Not exciting enough for me though. I'm kind of a cheapo. The Dutch girl, $30 string holder. She's in really good condition, it looks like. And I am a sucker for cake toppers. This one in particular stands out to me. That is really pretty. Wow, and it's in like immaculate condition. It's been a while since I picked one of these up. Her little veil is kind of messed up. She's so fragile. I have a collection of really unique cake toppers of my own at home. I don't really want to send that in the mail though. It's made it this far. What about this guy? What is this? He's like sitting on a snowbank, I guess, or an igloo. He's even got his little pipe cleaner bottle brush wreath. It's in really good condition. $15, that's super fair. Kind of feel weird not picking this up. I kind of feel like obligated to. It's in perfect condition. This looks like it glows. I'm so nervous to reach over. There's so many things to navigate. I normally don't pick these up because they're white when I see them. And $25, that really looks like it glows. Hobnail, just saw one of these. This is a nice hobnail piece. Oh, now I see what the... Well, I'm glad I didn't pick that other one up. Now I understand what it's supposed to be. It was missing the lid and the spoon. Wow, that's complete. That's kind of neat. Like the pottery. This is a fun one, McCoy. $10, that's a fair price. I like the colors on that. I've had things like that a bunch recently. Like I said, I'm trying to keep it switched up. I like the hand painting on this one. What's that a scene of? A little house, wall pocket. Ah! Trying to put things back carefully here, and everything's kind of precariously placed. This is a beautiful celluloid box, and it's in like immaculate condition. $55, that's a fair price for a collector. I love all the bisque dolls, the frozen Charlottes or pennies. I always get them mixed up. And that's a really unique Santa doll, but I think I saw that at Sledworks. Yeah, it looks like a lot of this stuff is coming from Sledworks. And I love those little glitter elf ornaments. $15 is around what I sell those for though. I am kind of a sucker for clothes. I don't have much time, but I cannot help but notice this yellow houndstooth pencil skirt. That is really fun. All right, let me not get distracted. Caught a glimpse of this little Edward Mobley dog. That's kind of a unique size for him. 22, that's definitely retail though. Oh! It's a beautiful slag glass swag lamp. And I really like this cat planter too. I've had him a few times though recently. Let me see what they got in here. This is a fun booth. I usually find at least a little knick-knack or two when I'm here. Like the little elf guy. $16, that's fair. Whoa, look at this pose doll. How spectacular is she? I kind of want to investigate this one further. $92. I don't want to investigate it any farther. Diaper pins, those are fun. Oh! Yes, I see the elf, but this little teddy bear is so cute. Chenille teddy. I also kind of like this Christmas matchbox fun. Elephant Squeak. I don't normally pick these up. I feel like they're normally overpriced. $12 is super fair, but not enough for me to get excited about. They're somewhat common. What is this funny planter? Hager. Wow, I've never seen that before. 16 bucks. I wonder how well that would sell. It's kind of an offbeat item for Hager. It's in really good condition. I think it might be a little too close for me. I don't think, well, in general. I could be wrong though. $9. Oh, I like these teacups. Oh, look at this one. She's pretty. $24. That's definitely retail on that. Little chalkware babies. This one looks new. I think I picked that up last time, yeah. And I picked that up too. I really like these candles here. $52 though, as is. Now, I would normally grab this, except this is definitely reproduction. I can tell by her face immediately something's not quite right about her. What is this sweater? Why do I really like this? It just says awesome. $15. I kind of like that. Oh, I love this quilt just because I see a deer on it. Wow. And a bunny. Oh my gosh, how cute. How much is this? $75. Gonna put that one back. Such fun glasses. I really appreciate these little star ones. And I always appreciate the color coordination in this booth. Gosh, the lamps here are everything. I have to look at this Vegas clock. I'm obsessed. 20 bucks. That's super fair too. Normally I find this booth is on the higher end. Gosh, they have such great items. This ashtray, that's a hard one to find. $23. That's a really fair price for that. I really like this mid-century lamp too. I'm just so crazy about everything. Little bone china skunks. Those are cute. A little high for me. And then the tall poodle salt and pepper shakers. Those are fun. I found this large fuzzy poodle. This one's missing the fuzz, but I found it with the fuzz the other day. That was pretty exciting for me. I know I probably pick up these Tilso Humpty Dumpty egg salt and pepper shakers every time, but just for old time's sake, still no price. I think one time they did have a price on it though, and I was wowed. They were a little pricey. Little Joseph Originals rubber elf. No price. Very cute though. Those usually sell pretty well. This is kind of a fun set. Looks like a hobbyist one. Okay, well, I was oohing and awing over the lamps, but I also can't help but notice these brass deer. These are awesome. Really spectacular. I mean, look at the lighting in here. That is just so fabulous. I wish my house looked like this. Okay, now we're really talking. I left those deer last time, but this snow globe TV set, $12. So it's a salt and pepper shaker set. I kind of feel like I could still make money off of that since it's still got the snow globe working in it. I also noticed this cute little Left in Santa and Mrs. Claus shaker. That's definitely priced at retail though. I love this little tree topper because she's got the blue eyeshadow. I'm gonna go ahead and look up what my last one sold for. It wasn't even Christmas, but I feel like these kind of sell for good money. Yeah, I am gonna go ahead and pick this up. $12. I mean, the ones that weren't Christmas related and didn't have water in them sold for like 18 bucks. So I kind of feel like I'm gonna take a chance on this one and I'm gonna put it in my Christmas live sale with Yvonne. Unfortunately, this item will not be making it to Etsy. Little elf with balloons, he's pretty cute. Wait, what's in this box? How adorable. $49 for all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, that's not completely unreasonable, but it's also not for me. Whereas I'm fully aware this is a really great deal, I'm actually not super in love with him. I am gonna hold out and put him back. Wow, this booth is incredible. Unfortunately, I have run out of time once again, and I have to go meet Jocelyn. Ah, funny dog. Just quickly doing a loop. Oh, so many fun items. It is a lot of priced at retail. Oh my gosh, look at the big eye girls, which is fair. I mean, you can tell they really put effort into their booth. Oh, but wait. Dang, $17.50, they know. All right. I did have to do a quick run through over here, especially because of the discount. I remember they did some fun Christmas stuff. $59. How much is this one? $59. All right, all right. Oh, one of these Santa music boxes. Oh my gosh, that's so sweet. My mom had one of those. I have her original one from when she was a kid. $25, super fair price for a collector. Okay, last but not least, what about this? Not that, sorry. This. Oh, he's got some damage. That's why he's priced the way he is. Little blue angel. It's only $3. She's missing her star. All right, let me put this back and go meet Jocelyn. I am super excited about this little snow globe set. I have yet to decide if I'm gonna put it on Etsy or do it with my live sale. Either way, I'm gonna go check out now. Psych, look at this little jar. How sweet is that? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be late. Let me stop. 12 bucks. All right, I'm off right in the nick of time. So far, I've done 3 stops. I've spent $77. I'm about to go meet Jocelyn at Street of Shops, which is always a fun time all around. And then we're gonna go to Roller Mills, which is one of my all-time favorites. So I will see you guys down the road.